How to download games for free on your laptop. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to download free games on your laptop or PC. So I'm going to show you guys a few apps that you can use. The first one is Epic Games Launcher. You can go ahead and download this from Google. Open up your web browser and simply search for Epic Games Launcher. Download. And then once you've done that, you'll find the installation file. Just go ahead and click on it to download Epic Games. And once you run the installation file, it will open up the application. Now you can log into it using any of these platforms. So let me just quickly log in. So here I've logged into my account. And once you're logged in, you're going to have to verify your code. Once you've entered the verification code, click on Continue. And once that is done, you click on Done Linking, and you'll land on your Epic Games Launcher's homepage. So once you land on this page right here, you can find different kind of games here. So under Discover, you can find different kind of free games. So what you're going to have to do is now you can go ahead and click on this browse option to find different games here. So you'll find popular genres, new releases, and as you can see, here are some of the free games. So you can go to prices and then choose free. And here you'll be able to see all of the free games available on Epic Games. So you can easily download all of them and start playing. This is the first method. The second thing you can do is download Steam. You can do the same thing. Go to Google and then simply search for Steam download and then hit enter. Now, once you search for Steam download, you can just install the installation file. And then once that is done, your Steam will set up and you can just open it. You're going to have to log into your Steam account here as well. If you don't have one, you can create one. And then you can just search for free games on Steam. So you'll land on the homepage like this. Go to the search bar and search for free games. Hit enter and you should be able to see all of these free games that you can download. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.